Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? Tomorrow becomes next week becomes next year. And suddenly, laziness doesn't just steal your time, it steals your life. But here's the truth. Laziness is not who you are. It's only a shadow. And shadows vanish when you shine the right light. Laziness is not a lack of ability. It's a lack of clarity. When you don't know why you're moving, it's easy to stop. So here's how to dissolve laziness into unstoppable motivation. Write down one small thing you'll accomplish today. Not 10, not 5, just 1. Completion fuels momentum. If the task feels too big, cut it down. If it takes 2 hours, start with 10 minutes. The brain loves progress, even tiny progress. Don't wait to celebrate until you finish the marathon. Celebrate the first step, the first mile, the first breath. Motivation grows when you feed it. But sometimes laziness isn't laziness at all. Sometimes what we call laziness is actually something deeper. Depression wears many masks. To the outside world, it looks like laziness. Inside, it feels like drowning in still water. That's why we must learn the difference. Laziness is not caring to move. Depression is wanting to move, but feeling like you can't. Understanding this difference changes everything. Depression is real, but it is not unbeatable. Here are 3 steps that anyone, anywhere can begin today to break free. Your mind will tell you to stay silent. Do the opposite. Call a friend. Message someone. Connection is medicine. Motion creates emotion. Even 2 minutes of movement rewires the brain's chemistry. Walk, stretch, dance, just move. Depression feeds on repetition of dark thoughts. Break the loop. Write one thing you're grateful for each day. One thing you're working toward. This reshapes the battlefield in your mind. You are not lazy, you are not broken, you are not defeated, you are human. And within you, there is a force that can rise again. If you want the change, be the change. Leave a comment below and tell us, what step will you start with today? Like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And if you'd like free tools and guides to overcome these challenges, let us know. You are not alone in this journey.